So Jody should be sending out these links and this information, which you'll use to subscribe to one or both of the Google calendars. The All Residents Out, as the name suggests, is basically for any events where the residents won't be available for clinical work due to mandatory education. The Weekly Resident Lectures calendar is mostly focused on the Wednesday mornings and self-study topics from PSEN, so the residents should subscribe to this one. Most other events will have a meeting invitation sent via email, as we've had in the past. So once you have your link, right-click on it, hit Copy Link, go back to your Outlook calendar, then just hit Add Calendar. Then on the left, you want to click Subscribe from Web. Paste that in. As this is the All Residents Out calendar, we'll just call it that. You can change the color as needed and give it an icon. I'd recommend adding it to the other calendars. Another option is to put it in My Calendars. It's just a personal preference depending on how you have your Outlook calendar set up. Then just click Import. Give it a second. You should see a success message at the bottom. Then you just X out of the pop-up window. And you should see now under Other Calendars or My Calendars, the new calendar, All Residents Out. Currently, only a couple events have been scheduled. As Jody adds more will show up. Just 2 points to illustrate. So, as we've done previously, there's a recurring Teams meeting event that just has that's the same every week for the link to join it. Every event in the Google Calendar will also have the same Teams meeting link. So these two have the same Teams meeting link, for example. They've been split into two events, as the 8 to 9 a.m. lectures are recorded automatically and saved to the resident Microsoft Teams channel. And then just as an example of how the schedule will look as more things are scheduled, I've created a separate demo calendar that just has all the events. I would also recommend that the residents add the weekly resident lectures topics to their personal calendars, just as the layout's pretty easy to navigate them. This again is the demo calendar I created just to show off how it will look. So the way to subscribe to the shared Google Calendar from within Google Calendars, let's go to Other Calendars, click the plus button from URL. Again, we'll use the weekly resident lectures this time as an example. Copy link, paste it here, hit Add Calendar. And so you can see the weekly resident conference is now showing up here, and then just hit the back arrow and you'll see the events that have already been scheduled are showing up here. As more are scheduled, more will be visible over time, and it'll look something more like this. It is also very easy to log on to the Teams links, the links in all of the associated events.